Hey everybody, Chris here, 4Directions Bushcraft. Hey, I want to introduce a new product that's going to come in this tin from 4directionsbushcraft.com, and it's going to be our Char Cloth. And I make this just like everything else out in the woods. You're going to get two big rolls like this. I mean, the tin is going to be full. These are 4-ounce tins, screw on top. And it's going to be packed full. I'm going to leave the tins blank. I'm not going to put our logo on here or a sticker or anything because I want you guys to be able to use this for a fire kit or a flint and steel tin. You can puncture a hole in the top of this, make your own char cloth after you run out of this. And these are good little tins for that. They're screw on top, like I said, 4 ounces. So what's good about this char cloth, what I like about what I've made here, is that it's long burning. It's not a quick burning char cloth, and I kind of want to do a little example here. It's real easy to catch a spark on, of course. You can use the back of your knife, you can use a piece of flint and steel. For right now, for demonstration purposes here, I'm going to use just my ferro rod. And you can see it burning already, really easy. And I ran a test on this when I first made it, and it just burns forever. So I'm not going to pause the camera. I'm just going to see how long this one here will burn. And the reason I want it to burn for a long time is because if you have a tinder bundle that's wet, or you have problems getting your fire started, this is going to be forgiving with that. It's going to give you enough time that you need to get ready or be prepared or get your fire started. It's not going to go up, and you're not going to have to keep using another piece and using another piece and run out very quickly. See how slow that burns? See, that's what I like about this. And it still burns really hot. So go over to 4directionsbushcraft.com. Get yourself one of these tins. It's going to be cheap prices. It's going to be packed full of char cloth. And I think you're going to be really pleased with this product. I am. I've been using this type of cloth for years. See, it's still burning, and I have some cloth left there still. I'll just let it sit there and we'll see. You can see it glowing still. Let me give you a close-up. See, I like that, how it's slow burning like that. That's really nice. That comes in handy when you're out there and everything's wet, or you got a tinder bundle that's not made very well. You rush through your tinder bundle. This thing, you can light this, lay it on the ground, go get more tinder, and then still use it. I'm going to try to blow on it here. And it'll just keep going. It's like a you know, it's like an ember that you would make from a bow drill. So anyway, I just went ahead and set this up so you can see it one more time. I just wanted to show you our new product and the long burn of it that I'm real happy about. And it stays together really well. It's not going to fall apart on you. Okay? So we're going to leave our sticker off of it. That way you can use it for char cloth later on down the line if you want. We encourage you guys to go over and check us out for some great quality products at cheap prices. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate your views, your comments, your support. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. You guys have fun out there.